আচ্ছা মই স্ক্ৰিনটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিম ক'বাচোন স্ক্ৰিন পাইছা নে কোৱাচোন চবে
পাইছো স্যার
নাই স্যার পাইছো স্যার পাইছো স্যার
পাইছো স্যার
আহিছে ন
পাইছো
আচ্ছা এই শব্দ শুনি আছে পুৰা প্ৰপাৰলি ন এম এ অডিবল টু এভৰিৱান প্ৰপাৰলি
yes sir
yes sir
so last class we have discussed regarding inode and the super block okay so today we'll be going to discuss one new topic this is your permission management in linux okay so these two topic this topic today we will cover so from previous class regarding inode and superblock this is clear or new you need revision of this please let me know just before going to this permission in linux let me first check about your status of the previous class inode and the superblock you need the repetition of this class or I can go with the permission please let me know
sir repeat
repeat কৰি দিম
হয় sir
মোৰ নোটটো ক'ত আছে এই তোমাৰ গ্ৰুপত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা আছিলে ন তাৰ পৰা লৈ লো ৰবা মই এইটো পাহৰি গৈছো কোড সেভ হৈ আছিলে okay linux inode তোমাৰ কি হয় কোৱা তোমাৰ so this is the unique identification number okay assigned automatically whenever you create a file okay তাৰমানে কেনেকৈ চাই লোৱা in our university যিমান বিলাক student আছে ন সব ষ্টুডেন্টৰ এগেইনষ্টত এটা তোমাৰ certain তোমাৰ registration number আছে ন this number is unique so if anyone want to find the detail about the student he will first of all go to the registration number okay and he will put the number in the student portal right and after that all the details is going to be displayed right so likewise so I'm giving one example say in the editive portal suppose I want to see any one of the students detail okay so how this inode will work in the operating system let's see once here suppose I want the detail about a student any student right suppose this one editive 2017-20 bsc 34 okay so this is the inode number of the student so in this way suppose whenever you want a file to be open or search in the computer memory so this is going to be done with the help of its inode number okay suppose if I go there and click on this search then the detail of the student will be displayed okay the name of the student is what the this one Thongbam Stelon Meitei okay so say for example you can take that this is the file okay and this is the inode number when this file is created this session and all other details are stored against the inode number okay so yeah okay so in the inode what are the different information is stored so the first information is what the user id of the file that means who has created the file the user id next one is the group id of the file that means the user who has created the file belonging to which group okay now in this case the mentor of this batch is the user okay and the department of computer science and engineering iNurser is the group so likewise it is going to be segregated next one is what the device id that means on which track of the hard disk the file is located okay and the file size then what the date of creation permission regarding permission today we will take the class okay no need to go for this one just remember there are some certain permission wherever a user is capable of reading the file make some modification or execute the file if it is a executable file. Okay, so these are the permission. So likewise, the owner of the file, then what a file protection tag flag. Okay, so whether the security mechanism is enabled or not, or whether it may be shareable or not shareable in the internet. So all these protection flags will be optionally available in the file. Okay, next is the link counter to determine the number of hard link. Okay, that means how many times the file is opened. So this is also find from the inode number. So these all are the common or the important information which can be find from the inode table of a particular file. Okay, so this is the inode table. To see the inode detail of a file, you have to put the command called what, the df minus I. Okay, and if you want to see the detail about a particular file, then you have to go for this one, ls minus li this. Okay, so if you want, then I can show you the execution of these two commands. Go to the Ubuntu. So first of all, we'll check the command dfi. Okay, wait for some time, let the system to be boot. Yeah, so df minus I, if you put enter, then we'll find the inode. Okay, so these all are the file system, rootfs, none. So these all are the file system. So all these file systems are put with some unique inode number corresponding to the location. Okay, this is. Now if you want to say go inside a file, what a directory and explore a file, say ls. So here you'll find the directory, say cd dir1, enter. Oh sorry, I'll just make it reverse. cd dir1, if you put ls there, then you'll find only the name of the file. Okay, now if you put here ls minus li, okay, now you can see all the detail of the files. See, the file one inode number is this is the inode number, this is the permission tag. Okay, this is the username and this is the group name. Okay, this is the username and this is the group name. Still not I am sharing this file in the internet, so other parties remain blank. Okay, so there are three type of user in the Unix type operating system, whether it may be Linux or your Android file or the Mac OS file. Always you find the three type of user. Okay, first one is what, the who has created the file, he is called the owner. Next one is the owner is belonging to which group, this is the group. And if the file is shared in the internet, okay, as Unix or Linux is a multi-user operating system. Okay, I've discussed this concept at a very first class. That means in a true multi-user operating system, at a single instant of time, okay, n number of users can act on this file. Okay, no need to go for a time sharing. So simultaneously many more than one user can operate in this type of operating system. Okay, so in this case you will find the others. Okay, it is something like this. Suppose Sankalpa has created one file, so Sankalpa is the owner of the file. Okay, this file one. Next one is he is belonging to the BCA first sem group, their group. That means all the 52 students, okay, are capable of, okay, act anything to the file based on the permission he has set. Okay, now if someone is coming from say BSCIT first sem or MCA first sem, now whether he or she is capable of doing acting something on the file, it is depend upon the other state. Okay, others means what, the those user which is not owner or belonging to a particular group, these all are the others. Okay, so using these two command we can view the inode number of the file. You see, whatever file you are creating in the computer memory, okay, some different type of inode number is going to be assigned. Right now we have altogether 4 file. If I create one more file, touch, that's say suppose file 5.txt, enter. Okay, if you put here lsl command, okay, see this file 5 has come and this is assigned to it a new inode number. Okay, initially see 2392 was the last, now this is assigned. Okay, so in this way inode number is going to be generated. So this is something like your registration number or the student id. Okay, so using this id all your students detail can be accessed. Okay, and in the same way using, okay, where was this, yeah, using this inode number all the detail of the file is going to be find out. You see when the file is created October 29 093, so all the detail will be stored. So this is all about your inode number. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Inode, this is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we will go towards the super block. So what is super block? See, as I told you earlier, in computer system there are two distinct concepts regarding the file. One is what a file and one is the file system. That means what is meant by file system? Suppose there are two different family. One family, suppose X person family, and one is what the Y person family. The working strategy or the suppose working strategy of family 1 is totally different from family 2. Suppose X family members wake up at the 5 and Y family member maybe work about the 4:30. Okay, in the breakfast suppose X family member take the rice and in the Y family take the roti and all. Okay, so this is the system through which one maintain its own day-to-day activities, right? So based on the operating system to store the files, operating system maintains some distinct set of file system. Okay, the most common one is what, if you go for the Windows platform, see all the earlier version of operating system using the file called FAT32, file allocation table. Okay, so this is the strategy through which Windows are going to store or allocate the file in the computer memory. Okay, this one, and nowadays this is replaced by NTFS. Okay, new technology file system. So in the same way, if you go for the Linux you will find the XFS file system. Okay, if you go for the distributed computing like Hadoop and all, you will find the HDFS. Okay, so these all are the file system through which operating system keep your file in the memory. Okay, the way of organizing the file system. Okay, now a super block is a record of the characteristics of the file system. Okay, what is meant by characteristics? Okay, if you go for the internet and search for it, you will find it. Okay, let me, someone is waiting. Okay, so let me go for this one. CHACTER, characteristics of say FAT32 file system. Okay, see FAT, so these all are the file system. See, FAT32 support drives up to 2 terabyte in size. Okay, that means this file system cannot handle the data or the hard disk beyond 2 terabyte और 2 TB के ऊपर अगर फाइल जाएगा, हार्ड डिस्क जाएगा तो ये सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा. So this is the characteristics. Okay, FAT32 uses space more efficiently. Okay, it is more robust, it is more flexible, and in the same way if you see the NTFS file system, you will find another some characteristics. See, the primary file system is for recent version of Windows. Okay, full feature including security descriptor, encryption, and the these quotas and all. So these all are some high level features. You will come later on. Okay, so these all are the characteristics. Okay, it is something like this. The characteristics of X family is totally different from the Y family. Okay, that means the working style, how he or she enjoy their daily lives. Okay, so this is all about their file system. So this super block is a record of the characteristics. এটু বুঝি পালানে কোয়াশন characteristics মানে কি? I think this is clear. What is meant by the characteristics? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's okay a super block is a record of characteristics of file system, okay, including its size, the block size, the empty and the filled block, and their respective count. Okay, the size and the location of the inode table that these blocks map, and usage information, and the type of the block groups. Okay, so this is very much important. So these all are the information which is stored inside the super block. Okay, and last class I am already told you, when you take the term called file, then you please go to the inode. Okay, and when you are telling something regarding the file system, then you have to think about the super block. So these two things. See, the term file system can refers to an entire hierarchy of directories or directory tree. If you can remember, we have already seen the directory tree of our Linux operating system. Okay, see, so this is the tree. If you invert this, then you'll find that, so this is the root, and all these all are the branches and the leaves. Okay, and this is defined inside the file system. Okay, how your different files are going to be organized. So this is the directory tree that is used to organize file on a computer system. Okay, you can see one thing. That's why I'm go very gradually. First of all, I let you know about the directory structure. Okay, then I start with the inode and the super block. Okay, why? Because this is the relevant term. If you don't understand the directory hierarchy, then you cannot go for the super block. Okay, so that is used to organize file in the computer system. Okay, on Unix like operating system, the directory start with the root directory. You know it? Yes or not? This statement is correct or not? In Unix like operating system, the directory start with the root directory designated by /. Okay, how many of you are remembering this term? This is true or not? Are you there? Are you there all? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about this statement? Okay, can anyone explain? I have discussed these things very clearly in the previous classes. On Unix like operating system, the directories start with the root directory. Okay, designated by /. So this much. See, at the very first, always you will find the root directory. This is defined by /. Okay, this much they are telling, and after that you will find all the subdirectories. Okay, so these things always you have to remember. See, which contain a series of subdirectories. So this is the series of subdirectories: binary, dev, etc, home. So this. Okay. Each of which in turn contain further subdirectories. Okay, so there may be the possibility of say suppose home, so इसके अंदर में भी कुछ subdirectories हो सकता है based on the requirement. Okay, so all these information are stored inside the super block. Okay, and please go through all this note. So from this page, the previous class, you can expect at least 5 to 7 mark. Okay, from this page, inode and the super block, from this page you can expect 5 to 7 mark in the exam. Okay, only you have to go through this page. No extra reading is required. ঠিক আছে মাত্ৰ এইখন পেজ চালে হ'ব from this page you will find 5 to 7 marks. So these informations are too much important for you. Now one more important thing is that Superblock also stores configuration of the file system. Some higher level detail that is stored in the Superblock is mentioned below. Okay, কি কি থাকিব কোৱা তোমাৰ blocks in the file system. The next one is number of free blocks, inode per block group. So these all are important. Please by heart or just make the cramming all this point very efficiently. इनमें से point आएगा ही आएगा. 4 mark का question पे आ जाएगा. Okay, from the below question is something like this. From the below which is not the okay information which can be find from the super block. इनमें से कोई 3 दिया रहेगा और एक एक्स्ट्रा दिया रहेगा. ठीक है, तो इट्स एंड एवरी पॉइंट को पूरा बाय हार्ट करना है. ठीक है, so likewise, so definitely you can expect 5 to 7 mark from this page. Okay, so this is regarding your inode and the super block. Is it okay now or you need more explanation? Please let me know. Is this okay now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, can I go forward? Okay, please go through it. Yeah, this page already I have shared, so please go through it. If you find any problem then you can ask. Okay, no problem. So today we'll go with the permission in Linux. Okay, now permission, from the previous class you might know that whenever you go for finding the inode or any more detail about a file, you find one statement called this minus rw minus r minus minus r minus minus. Okay, so what is this, what is meant by this? Okay, so today we'll learn about these things. See, permission in Linux. So first of all, can anyone tell me what is meant by permission in general? In general, what is meant by permission? Forget about the Linux and any operating system. What is meant by permission? Can anyone tell? No one can tell what is permission?
Having
Okay.
access of something.
Yes, please.
Having access of something.
Yeah, that means if you want to access something, you need some permission, right? Suppose you want to enter to the library of a college. Okay, that means if you want to go inside the library, then you have to take the permission of the librarian. Okay, so whether I'm allowed to go inside or not. Okay, if you come inside the staff room of the teachers common room, then you must ask someone, sir, can I come inside? Okay, so this is the permission. Okay, so there are some common areas, a canteen or the cafeteria or the playground. To enter to this type of areas, you don't need any permission of anyone. Okay, but some areas are restricted. You cannot go there without the permission of some authorized person, right? So it is the permission. Likewise, to access something, any file or device in the Linux or a Unix like operating system, you have to go with some valid permission. Otherwise, you are not allowed to access these facilities. Okay, let's see what they are telling. Linux, comma, like other Unix like operating system. So here Linux, Unix, Mac, all. Okay, operating system allows multiple users to work on the same server simultaneously without disrupting each other. Okay, why? Because Linux is a 100% multi-user operating system. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the class because many students are new in here. What is meant by multi-user? Suppose you have a PC in your home, so you're installing with Windows 7 operating system, right? Now, based on your requirement, you can create different user. Suppose one user with your name, one user with your brother, sister, mom, dad, and like this. Okay. Now the thing is that suppose if you are working in this computer, the other user cannot work. Okay, he or she has to wait for his turn to come. At this moment he will work. So in a real sense, this type of operating system is not the multi-user operating system. Okay, multi-user 100% multi-user operating system is that in at a single instant of time, if all the user can work. Okay, so this is the multi-user operating system, just like your ATM terminal. Okay, or the pantaloons or the big buzzers sales counter. Okay, say you take the example of any bank ATM. Suppose State Bank. In the State Bank ATM in the world, there may be more than 1 lakh State Bank ATM is there. Okay, and I must guarantee that at a single instant of time, so all these 1 lakhs ATM terminal is busy by some users. Okay, now see, all these 1 lakhs request is handled by only one server, which is located centrally in the main data center of the State Bank of India. Okay, so see, this is not like that. The first person, suppose whenever ATM 1 is working, ATM 2 will not work. Okay, that means simultaneously all the 1 lakhs number of ATM is working at a single instant of time. Okay, so this type of operation or the operating system is called what? The multi-user operating system. Okay, so Linux or any server operating system are called the 100% multi-user operating system. Okay, now the thing is that whenever you design any multi-user operating system, you will share some file. Okay, now the thing is that who can use our file at what time? So this is decided by the permission. Okay, see, Linux or comma like other Unix like operating system allows multiple users to work on a same server simultaneously without disrupting each other. Okay, that means SBI server, same server. So in this server, from all these 1 lakh ATM machines spread all over the world can, okay, means work at a single instant of time. So that's why it's called what? The multi-user operating system. Okay, this one. Individual sharing access to file poses a risk. Okay, risk exposing classified information or even data loss. Okay, if I give access to some unauthorized user to work, he may steal my data. Okay, or he may corrupt my data. To stop this type of corruption and the data stealing and all, we have to set a distinct set of permissions. Okay, to address this, Unix add file permission features to specify how much power each user has, okay, over a given file or a directory. Okay, let us take these things. Suppose I create one file 1. Okay, so now as I told you, there are 3 different type of user. One is owner, next one is group, and if you're sharing this file in the internet, then you will find the others. Okay, now owner will have the all permission. He can read the file, he can write the file, or if it is an executable file, he can execute the file. Now I put some restriction. Okay, in the group member only we have the read permission, no write permission or no execute permission. Okay, it is exactly something like this. Okay, when I share some file with you, I only share you with the PDF file. That means my group student only has the, Okay, my group student only has the read permission. Okay, no one can edit this file. That's why I always send this file in a PDF. Why? Because suppose I have shared some information there. There may be some student who might think then, so this is not the correct information. Let me modify something. So this is not good. Okay, please don't make any more modification. If you need something to be modified, you please tell me. I will verify, and if required, I will make the modification. Okay, that's why I put only the read permission to my group students. No write permission, no execute permission. Okay, and if you are sharing this file to the others, suppose some student of the BSCIT first time ask you, okay, in your class what sir has taught me, okay, let me learn from your side. Then again you are going to share this file, okay, and by default he is also get the permission only to read the file, not write, not execute. So this is the default permission which is resides in all the files. Okay, how to verify it? See, read write from the user end, only read from the group end, and only read from the others end. There is no execute permission. Why? Because this file is not a executable file. This is a text file. Clear? आया समझ में? ये लाइन का मतलब क्या था? Are you there or not? What is mean by permission? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, Vipasa is responding yes. And any other than Vipasa?
Yes, sir.
বুঝি পাইছা কি হয় পারমিশন তোমার? Okay, if someone asks you by default what permission is there in a file, কি লিখিবা কোৱা তোমালোকে? What is the default permission is there assigned from the operating system when you create a file? কি দিবা কোৱা তোমাৰ? Owner with read, write and execution permission, but execution is optional. If your file is executable file, then only it is assigned with the E permission, otherwise read and write. And the group will assigned with the only read permission, and others are assigned with the only read permission, no write, no execute. Okay, now there is an provision in the Unix or a Linux, you can change the permission. Okay, you can give all permissions to all the users. Okay, so this is the default case, and suppose let me make some modification. And let it be, no problem. Okay, by using something we can make it something like this: execute and write, execute. Okay, so we learn about these things. Okay, how to sense the permission of individual users. Okay, so I think this is clear what is permissions and all. Check the permission in command line with ls command. Okay, now how to check what permission is assigned to the files or not? Okay, so one command is what the ls minus l. Okay, you please note down all these options. ls l देने से क्या आएगा? ls, okay, ls li देने से क्या आएगा? ls d देने से क्या आएगा? So all these options you have to remember. If required, please go and write it down. Okay, so right now we are using what the ls li. Okay, now we are using what the ls minus l. Enter. Oh, sorry, ls l. Enter. See, this time you can see this inode portion is not there. Okay, so the execution of this ls li command and ls l command is totally different. Only if you want to see the permission, then you have to use the tag ls minus l. Okay, see, whatever file you are creating just right now, you can see there all the default permission: read, write, read. Okay, but in case of your folder, this is something different. So this is assigned with d, that means this is the directory, and all these all are the permission. इसमें तुम एक्सिस देखो, एक्स रहेगा, एक्स मतलब क्या है बोलो, फोल्डर हम कभी एग्जीक्यूट करता ही नहीं है, तो ये इसका पॉसिबिलिटी है ही नहीं। तो इसमें क्या रहेगा बोलो, सो विल फाइंड if it is a folder or a directory, please remember directory is nothing but a folder. okay, विंडोज में हम इसको फोल्डर बोलते हैं और लिनक्स में हम इसको डायरेक्टरी बोलते हैं. ओके, if you find this one, in case of the folder, the default one is owner read write x and read write x, and what the this is read write x. This means एक फोल्डर को हम कभी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करते, तो इसमें ये परमिशन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस परमिशन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड हियर, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज null or none. okay, or can say the nil. So group is what only read and nil, other what read. You see, कभी कभी तुम लोग देखना, तो अगर गूगल ड्राइव में अगर तुम कुछ अपलोड करने के लिए जा रहे हो ना, तो इट आस्क फॉर द परमिशन. okay, by displaying the message something like this, user does not give you the right permission to access the folder. तो तब क्या आता है बोले, एक रिक्वेस्ट मेरे पास आएगा. okay, if I allow you then only you can send your file here. okay, so by default इसमें सब में रहता है, but it can be changed so that others member also can use the whether write something to the folder. So this is the permission. okay, those person which is authorized to me, whom I know well, okay, I will assign the permission to them only, otherwise not. okay, suppose all the BCA first sem student, I know them very well. okay, so I will give the right permission to those student only, not other than this. okay, so likewise everything can be manipulated inside the computer. okay, so LSL command. So now in general, if you put the LSL, then you will find the all the list. okay, suppose if you want to go particularly, suppose file 1.txt, enter, so you can go for the individual file. okay, so today we have learned about this command, LSI command. so these all are very much important for the exam. और आज का क्लास तो ये क्लास 2-3 क्लास तक चलेगा, एक क्लास में खत्म नहीं होगा. फ्रॉम दिस नोट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 10 to 15 मार्क्स दिस परमिशन. ओके, सो दिस ऑल आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं जितना नोट शेयर करता हूँ ना, तुम लोग एग्जाम में देखना, हर एक लाइन इनमें से आएगा, दूसरा कहीं से भी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, और टोटल रिफाइंड मटेरियल है, सो यू कैन ओनली रिलाई ऑन दिस फॉर द एग्जाम पर्पस. ओके, जो स्टूडेंट पूरा सीख के जाएगा, दे विल गेट द 100% मार्क. और मेरा सब्जेक्ट में मिलता भी है 100%. तुम्हारा 60 में 58 तक मिलता है मेरा. ठीक है, माई स्टूडेंट स्कोर वेरी गुड मार्क इन द एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, रिंकियन संकल्प, प्लीज गिव मी द अटेंडेंस. ओके, द सेशन विल एंडेड ऑटोमेटिकली विद इन 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this much. See, after this classes completed, I will share this note. Okay. So the instance, can I go to one? So already I have checked it. ls minus l, not the file name. Then you will find all the things. Okay. Let me go for this one. See, it is the permission. Who has created the file? I have created the file. Group name is this. No other is there because I have not shared it in the network. कब बनाया था इसको मैंने और इसका नाम क्या है. सो डिटेल यू विल फाइंड फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, हाँ, एज सीन इन द इमेज अबव द आउटपुट प्रोवाइड्स द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन. सो ऑलरेडी हमने सीख लिया है. फाइल इज अ परमिशन. नेक्स्ट वन, द फाइल ओनर, ये वाला इसमें ये कोई किसने बनाया था, सोफिजा कोई बनाया था. ठीक है, सोफिजा इज द योर ओनर एंड द ग्रुप इज ऑल्सो द सोफिजा. So these all are the default thing which is assigned automatically. okay, the group to which the owner belonging to and the date of creation. okay, पूरा डिटेल में दिया हुआ है. अगर क्लास में किसी को शायद तो अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में कम आता है ना, तो प्लीज गो थ्रू द नोट, यू विल फाइंड दिस. फाइल टाइप रहेगा, सो इज दिस मीन्स द फाइल टाइप. अगर हाइफन रहेगा तो फाइल, अगर डी रहेगा तो ये डायरेक्टरी. ये क्वेश्चन आएगा. okay, how can you distinguish between a directory and a file in the command prompt? तो लिखना पड़ेगा. अगर परमिशन लाइन से पहले डी रहता है Okay, then this is the directory. अगर कुछ भी नहीं रहता है, then this is the file. Okay, this one. File permission of the user and पूरा इसमें डिटेल में दिया, already I have shown you. So first 3 is the user, second 3 is the group, and the third 3 is the others. So ये वाला owner, group, and the others. Okay, so this already have shared. Okay, let us stop here today. हम आज इसमें stop करते हैं, next class इसमें से continue करेगा. Okay, so if you have doubt, then you can post your comment to the WhatsApp group also. For another 1 hour the group is open. Okay, is it okay for all? Can I stop the session?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have doubt, then please let me know. Okay, if anything to be need to be repeat, I will go in the next class. Okay, इसको फिर से बोल लेना, I will repeat it, no problem. Okay, then the session will anyhow it will be ended within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, okay, anything to be asked from your end?